As we await the beginning of the dry season, we've had a typical day in terms of January. At this time of the year, we tend to see those sunny spells with a few showery days. That's why you saw some damp spots around Trinidad and Tobago today. And then as we head towards February, we get no heavy rainfall at all. And obviously we get to the driest month of the year typically, which is in March. But right now across the Atlantic, it's tranquil. We do have high pressure, which has sunk towards the south now. And right behind it, there is a cold front. That frontal system will remain up towards the north, well away from the islands, bringing most of the showers offshore. Now for us here in Trinidad and Tobago, only a few clouds are set to pass through as you go overnight into your morning, so a couple of showers are expected, but most of those showers have a low chance of occurring across Trinidad and Tobago, and they should be mainly light. So overnight then a couple of sprinkles are expected, but elsewhere it will be a mostly fair start to your morning with occasional sunny spells coming through, and then obviously you'll see a bit more cloudiness during the day, maybe a few light showers across the hills. But other than that, it seems as though you'll see a typical day for January with some sunshine as well as a couple of brief showers. Now, temperature-wise, tonight you see temperatures dipping as low as 21 degrees Celsius around Arima. It will feel definitely chilly in those sheltered valleys, and there will continue to be a chill at night as you go through late Wednesday going into Thursday as well for both Trinidad and Tobago. But then come on Friday, we could be seeing a bit more cloudiness coming through, and that cloudiness will likely raise the temperatures just a touch, 22 degrees Celsius by Friday and then 23 degrees Celsius by nightfall on Saturday. But the daytime temperatures will remain at a comfortable 31. Heading offshore, those easterly winds of 10 to 15 knots will continue to bring a moderate chop for the most part. Smooth seas through the Gulf of Paria, 1.5 meters out in the Caribbean, and there's only one low tide at 11:45 a.m. Now across the Atlantic, we've been watching those areas of high pressure, but out towards the north for North America, cold fronts continue to sweep across the islands, definitely coming down towards the Bahamas as they get closer towards later Wednesday and Thursday. So you could be seeing that frontal system bringing a few clouds and showers there, and then behind it some rather cool air expected across Cuba and then down towards the Bahamas as they go through their Wednesday and Thursday. So 27 for Havana, 30 degrees Celsius on the other side of the Caribbean. Mostly settled skies expected from the Leeward Islands coming all the way down to Trinidad and Tobago. And even for Georgetown in Guyana, they should be seeing mostly settled skies, even though this is their secondary peak of the wet season for coastal areas of Guyana as they go through their January. But for us, partly sunny with only a low chance of showers. So that's your weather, and that's it from me.